So finally, price of Mara and the other coin stocks reverse as we discussed them 2 weeks ago on our YouTube channel, guys. We said the market maker and the whale buying there. So last video that we did 2 weeks ago, and even we give you the example about this reversal with this huge green candle, and we said we're gonna hit the $20 and break this resistance. So if we go back here on the chart, guys, we see that the price is getting near a major resistance. And look at that, we have a reversal from the 7th of February. Just in one day we did, or 2 days, we did almost 25% for Mara. So in today's video, guys, we have to discuss where the price will go for Mara, what we should expect, where the price target for Mara and the other crypto stocks, of course, for this month and the next month, and where the other huge buying pressure will happen for Mara and the Coinbase and Riot. Those three crypto stocks doing really all right. And of course, if you don't bought the dip with us 2 weeks ago, there's always a chance, guys. For today, we're gonna discuss where the other entry and where the other profit taking, that we're gonna have another major shift in the price action. So hit the like button and the way in, don't forget, and share our video with the loved ones, because we always do our live streaming each day to hunt for mini stocks. Not Riot and Mara and Coinbase, but other stocks that have major news and jumping like 1000%. Like, for example, let me just give you an example. Yesterday we hunted for hologram, guys. It was a huge trade. We did this chart analysis update yesterday before this huge pump after we finished our live streaming. Once the price was around the $8.20, and we suggest price target around the $30, and we already closed our trade from yesterday, as you can see here for hologram, twice, as you can see here on our live streaming and after the live streaming. So join us, guys. The link in the comment section below if you want to have access to those chart analysis update that we do daily. Of course, not just for big trade like this, day trade, even 1 day swing trade, which we do every day, like we did for yesterday for our elite hunter. Disney was really good hunt and good example for you guys for swing trade for blue chip company, Cipher trade. If you don't want day trade, we do even swing trade. For Disney, we entered here around the 98 and we exited around the 108 for today. Of course, we close our trade around the 107 on the market open. So let's get right to it, guys. And we have to discuss Mara, Coinbase, and Riot, because those are the stocks that will do a really good performance if we broke those level of resistance. So let's kick our video with Mara. Look at that. Mara always have the top volume on the crypto stock list. We have after that Riot, of course, 20 million. After that, Coinbase, almost 10 million. But this is not the problem here, or not the issue here. The issue here, we getting near a resistance for Mara. We getting near a resistance for Coinbase. We getting near a resistance for Riot. All of them, because already pumped 25%. So if you missed the trade that we already talked about, guys, before 2 weeks ago, of course, we're gonna discuss the other breakout zone and where's the entry. However, in the time being, don't forget to hit the notification in order to get notified the next time about those major updates and shift for the price action for a better entry. It's better to enter here than entering there. But as we said always on our Hunter channel, there's always opportunity in the market. First, we have another buyer came lately around the 7th of February. Here on Wednesday, we have another buyer. The first buyer, the smart money, bought here over the 1428. And the second one bought here over the 1634. Now we're gonna have a test, a major test to confirm if we're gonna have a pump up or a bit of pullback. Because usually when we hit a resistance, the price have to pull back a bit. So today we might have a test for the 2070 or even after hours, and this will give us a confirmation if the price will continue toward another pump. up toward the 23. So watch out, guys, for the 2070, $20.70, because here we might get rejected because we already pumped 16%. Was a really good jump, but again, Mara always do this kind of move. Let me just give you an example. We already have this kind of move before. Huge selling pressure there, you see, for weeks. Then huge buying pressure without any pullback. So this is Mara, pretty volatile and moving with cryptos, because right now, guys, Bitcoin reversed from a major support and broke from a critical breakout zone for Bitcoin. Let me just show you what's happened for Bitcoin, everybody. We have a huge and major breakout, and this is really bullish signal, for my opinion, for Bitcoin that made Mara, Coinbase, and Riot to have a huge jump after a huge dump down the last few days. Why? We have this big bullish signal for Bitcoin. That's why we have Mara jumped 16%, and this is good indication that we're gonna have another jump for tomorrow, guys. As everybody knows, Mara, Coinbase, and Riot follow the trend of Bitcoin. So now we have a good signal. As we said, the breakout from this flag for Bitcoin is mean we're gonna have a nice jump for Mara, Coinbase, and Riot. For Mara, we have to watch, as we said, the 2070. After we break here, we have two profit taken for Mara. First one is around 23. After that, 26.74. And of course, now should be our bottom, guys, for this month and even this year to confirm a huge jump up for Mara. The next one we have Coinbase, everybody. Coinbase looking pretty nice because we held perfectly over the 112.21. So this is the level that we have to have it as a bottom. The resistance for Coinbase is around the 136.69. Why? We have even the 69 cent because Coinbase is really stable, and once we break the level, break it exactly around this level because Coinbase is less volatile than Mara and Riot. As you can see here, just from the volatility, we have just 8 million. However, we have to watch out for this breakout zone from this resistance because for Coinbase, we expect a jump of how much? Let me just show you how much. We expect 16 or 17%. And the first profit taking should be 7% around the 146, and we've got the 161. For Riot, of course, this one moving really smoothly, and we have many resistance that been broken for Riot. That's why we adjusted the resistance around the 1350. The resistance was before that around the $12. So Riot look really strong, and now we have to expect a huge test around the 1353. If we got rejected here, it's okay. We got a bit of reversal, and then we're gonna continue to go higher. The most important thing is doing lower highs here. This is the last low that market maker bought, and here we have the last low around the $10.50. So even if we got rejected here, we need to hold over a new low over the 1150 to confirm that the market maker and the whale still buying right. And of course, after that, we've got a big target for right around the 1650, and after that, the $20. Mara is testing the $20 right now, but Riot will test it in a few weeks from now. So watch out for this huge target for all of them. If Bitcoin doing all right and have a new high, watch out for another push up for those crypto stocks. Of course, we're gonna update them live tomorrow on our live streaming, 30 minutes before the market open, and 1 hour and 30 minutes, of course, on our Discord and Patreon, guys. You can join us in the link in comment section below if you want to get in early for many stocks that have major news before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.